Welcome to another short guided relaxation. So we do these Mondays and Fridays at the noon time, just to take a little break, maybe before you eat your lunch. Take a pause in the middle of your day and give yourself an opportunity to catch up with yourself. And as beautifully unique and diverse as we all are, and I'm so grateful for our uniquenesses and our individual strengths and what we can offer, we have a lot of similarities as people as well. And one of those is that we do need to step back, and we need breaks, and we need to rest our bodies and minds so that we have that kind of recovery and renewal to go out and then operate in our strengths again and serve people with that strength. So don't forget that we are that human being, and we need care. We need wellness invested in ourselves on a daily basis. So whatever recipe that looks like for you, I really encourage you to pay attention to it and notice what season you're in right now, and whether that's in regard to your age or seasonally, or how many children you have, whatever it is that you have for your season today. Think about what it is that you need, what it is that will help you find that rest and repair and renewal so that you can bring your best to the game. All right, so I'm going to scoot back here and find a comfortable seat. You can join in here. We'll spend the next 10 minutes noticing our bodies and breathing well and relaxing. And it's amazing what just a short time of that kind of practice will bring to you. You may feel like you're so exhausted, you're going to need an entire weekend of retreat in order to get back where you need to be. Sometimes a little bit can go a long way. So don't let that escape from you. Take advantage of 5 minutes or 10 minutes wherever you can get it, and then just dive in. So that's what we'll do together right now. Finding a comfortable place to rest your body, whether that's in sitting or standing or lying down. Begin to relax your shoulders away from your ears. Relax your hips and your lower back. And begin to take some nice, easy breaths. Maybe noticing your breath for the very first time today. Gently encouraging your breath to go a little bit longer and a little bit deeper. And then invite your whole body to respond to each exhale with a little more ease and a little more softness, letting go of tension. Breathe in and let go on the exhale. And breathe in and relax as you breathe out. And breathe in. And out. Any area that you start to notice, pay attention to it. Listen to any signals coming from those places. Take care of them. Maybe repositioning and finding a better placement for that body part. Maybe bringing a little soft movement that makes that area relax and feel better. So that we begin to listen to our bodies as they speak to us. And then return to following that breath pattern, that in and that out, each one bringing us an opportunity to relax. Bringing us an opportunity to take care of ourselves. Maybe visualizing your lungs with that inhale, opening up and expanding, receiving fresh air. And on the exhale, releasing and letting go. Full exchange. And again, breathe in deeply. And let it all go. Two more deep breaths like that. Full inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Gently coming back to a little bit of movement, gently opening the eyes. Spreading out your awareness to the space around you again. And taking with you that knowledge and that understanding of how you're doing. And then we keep that. We keep that connection, we keep that listening quality so that when we hear something happening, when we feel an area of our body that's not feeling good or is tense or is in pain, we respond to it faster. And we begin to develop that pattern of self-care where we make those adjustments. We place our bodies in positions that are better for us. We slow things down, or we just build that relationship with ourselves that is unique to each one of us, but in general, it's needed by all of us. We cannot expect to push ourselves without recovery, without self-care, without rest. We can't expect to do that to our bodies and for them to continue to function normally or in a good way. All right, so thanks for joining, and I'll see you again towards the end of the week. Let's all remember to put this into practice. Let's take good care of ourselves, even if it's stepping back for 5 minutes, regain that connection, regain that focus on relating to ourselves in the best possible way. All right, I'll see you Friday at noon. Have a great, great week. Peace.